Right folks, welcome to the episode. Here we have a new car.
Just a few more dollars.
Look at it.
On the market. Last call buyers. Sold.
We got another one. Got a 6 litre in yellow. Beautiful colour. So the car has arrived all the way from South Australia and it's just after 6 in the morning.
You reverse it back up to your joint.
Yeah.
Each way drive, it's got shit on left hand turn.
Yeah, okay.
Wheels are walking.
Right.
So your heat's the right hand turn.
Yeah.
But you're better off just going up backwards and flicking it in your driveway. It might take you 2 or 3 goes, you'll get in your driveway.
No worries. Yep.
Just go slow.
Yeah, alright. Cheers mate.
Thanks, fella.
Yeah, great. Where are you off to now?
Melbourne. That's Williamstown. 2 there to Campbellfield.
Oh, so you got to try and get in there early.
We leave at 3 every morning and
Right.
you just run with it. It's not bad now. School holidays and shit make it good. Fuel. The traffic on the road's half.
So he's just come from Horsham, I believe. He's heading to Williamstown, Campbellfield and a few other places. So here's the car here. Lovely colour, atomic, bit of work, but it's only superficial. As long as the rail's not bent. Dinged up door. And got a canopy. Nice Chev, mate. Chevrolet. Wheels are all scuffed up, Walkinshaw wheels. I hope he gave me the key. Jeez. He must have, I think he just started it. Oh yeah, nice 6 litre. This is rough. Got his stuff in it. Got his lollies in here still. You have to get down low and show the 2 wheels how they're on the post. See, one's going right and one's going left. we've still got the old car in the background. That's the Series 2 V8 SS ex-police car. It runs well. It's not my daily, but I do give it a drive, you know. We have to move things along. Here we've got the Atomic, the colour's called Atomic. And of course it's a Pickle auction car. So this is my second Pickle auction. Don't know if I should tell you the price. 11,000 delivered. It has a brand new radiator. It has OTR, over the radiator intake. What else? It's got Walkinshaw wheels. It's got the 6 litre. And it's an SSV, so it's one notch up from the SS. This is the roughest car I've had. It's rough, folks. What you do is you click on salvage auction. You get all the cars that have been handed up because of an accident. This is a WAVA NA, so I don't have to do a VIV on this. People say, oh, why go through the VIV? I would go through the VIV for a high-end car like a GDS or a HSV. On this case, it hasn't got any tags on it, so I can just repair this, get a roadworthy, and put it on the road again. The car's done 186,000. It does have a little bit of history inside it. It's got a few books, so that's all right. So here's the heart of the line. They don't call this an LS2, which I thought. I don't know much about it, but this one, I could see a couple of core packs have been changed. I think that one, and that one. The other ones are untouched. There is a cover, it goes with it, but I like it off. It looks mechanical. So that's that one. And so this is a salvage car from Pickles, and you buy it unseen. And I got this one from Adelaide, which is called Salisbury Plain or Salisbury Park. Salisbury Plain, I think. Yeah, so it will need a service. I put a new auxiliary belt on it, probably some new plugs, change the oil filters, and then we've got to have a look and see what we're going to do about these Walkinshaw copied wheels. You can see how scuffed they are. This one's even worse. Come down here, I'll put the light on it. Badly scuffed. Part rule. It says it takes E10, so I can use the lowest denominator fuel. It is 270 kilowatt at the crank, at the bumper bar, so it's crashed and they've claimed on insurance. That's why they hand the cars up. Therefore, what we need is a guard. We need to refurbish the wheels. This is minimum. And we'll just do a walk around of what's wrong with the car. So it's been crashed in. If anyone could tell me what this thing is, it looks like they have the horn up here. They don't have it at the bottom. So that's a splitter down underneath. So that's got to get replaced. A few odds and ends here. At least the VE parts are a lot cheaper than the VF, but it still adds up, folks. It does have wide wheels. I don't know what size of the wheels are. 245s. I think they're 20 inch. Yeah, 20s. 20 inch 35 profile. As we go in the interior of the car, I would rate the paintwork on it. Needs a buff up. Probably a 6 out of 10. Disregarding the bent parts. And then as you have a look in here, so this is an SSV Ausstattung. It's a interior standard SS floor mats, but pretty much buggered, I think. And so you have all this, it's in poor condition. Have all that. The plastic along there, plastic on. Don't know why it's all broken. So I'll need 2 seats. Need a bit of plastic inside, so we can go to BPAW, Ballarat Performance Auto Wreckers. Headlining is remarkable. Probably the highlight of the car, which you don't look up, and it's got some striped thing here. I don't know what they are, but I think they're destined for the bin, those things. And it's got a sticker there. I don't even know what it is. I can't read, so that may have to get pulled off, because that's just the style. Now we come around the back. It's got this canopy, a Chev badge at the back, a couple of scratches. There's a dent here, there's scrapes here, It's got a tow bar, V meaning SSV. Supposed to have sort of like a leather interior, a bit scraped here, but we can do a touch up. This rear quarter left, and all the wheels are grazed up. Look at them. Look at that. So we might go a different style wheel. If you can put the camera alongside here, up here, and there she's gouged in. Might just get the dint guy to do that and push them out and touch that up. We're not respraying the whole car. It's not a restoration show. Right, we'll open the canopy here. I don't know anything about these canopies, but this one is a thicker one. I personally, my take, I like the thinner one. I don't know if this is non-standard. It doesn't look like a GM one, but it's painted, and this colour, it's hard to say. When the sun is out, this has more green in it than that, but I don't know if this is faded or this is newer. So goes up, it's on struts. I've cleaned it out. They just left all the rubbish in the world. It was full of rubbish. So that's take a load to the tip. As you can see, it's not washed out or anything. It's got this cable hanging down. Don't know what it actually does. It's got a switch on the strut here. Oh, that's cord release. But why would you have electrics inside here? Can't see any lights in here. There's no light. Oh, there's a light there, under there. That's what the wires are for. It's under there, up in there. Not sure if I'm going to keep this lid, because if I've got to move a couch, I've got to actually unscrew the lid off. So I don't know. Let me know, folks, if you can buy quick release ones, you can pull them off without too much drama, so I can carry merch in there. This is where we're going to have a startup. 6 litre, and so it doesn't sound too bad. I can hear an exhaust like it's undrivable at the moment because of the front steering rack. So what I'm going to do, I thought of buying a marquee canopy for here, because I'll be working on it in winter, and in Ballarat it's freezing cold, folks. And I'm going to jack the front right up. I'll be cleaning underneath, replacing the bumper bar, steering rack, changing all the wheels, and get a roadie for it, and we can drive this to work. This is me work ute, huh? Here we have the dashboard. It's in red, so it's pretty old school, very upright dashboard here. Very old school red, as I said. A bit to do, like that's all busted up down here. Don't know what happened here. Got in a fight, I suppose. Handbrakes. So a couple of panels here, they're over here. I don't know if they've just come off or broken. That's part of the accident. Other than that, it's looking real good inside, apart from the seats. Needs a very big clean out. Even that button's pushed in, so we'll just work on that, folks. Thanks for watching the episode, folks. I know it was a short one, but I thought I'd give you an overview as I work right through Easter, 7 12-hour night shifts. So I've been quite busy. Catch you around the corner on the next one. Thanks for watching.